दोस्तों हम लोग देख रहे हैं 200 इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कंप्यूटर्स के, ये एमपी सिविल जज के लिए हेल्पफुल हैं। और इस टाइप से हम लोग देखेंगे फिर इंग्लिश के, करंट अफेयर्स के और लीडिंग केसेस के। तो एक्ट वाइज हम लोग इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है www का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, तो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है शॉर्ट रेंज वायरलेस कनेक्टिंग टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस इज कॉल्ड ब्लूटूथ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द टर्म विच इज यूज टू डिस्क्राइब लीगल एंड रेगुलेटरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इंटरनेट इज, सो इज साइबर लॉ है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कंप्यूटर स्टोर इट्स परमानेंट मेमोरी ऑन हार्ड डिस्क, तो मेमोरी स्टोरेज इनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं एग्जाम में। हार्ड डिस्क इसका राइट आंसर है। विच इज नॉट इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन, तो फेसबुक एक इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन नहीं है। सर्च इंजन क्या है, वेब ब्राउज़र क्या है, सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स कौन सी हैं, इनसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं। इसके अलावा फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर और इनसे भी क्वेश्चन आने लगे हैं। अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डाटा इन अ प्री डिटरमाइंड सीक्वेंस इज कॉल्ड सॉर्टिंग। रिजल्ट obtained in computers is called output. Output device, input device, hardware, software, right? The CPU and RAM are located on the motherboard. Server of computers that provide resources to other computers are connected to a network. The operating system is most common type of सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर। सो व्हाट इज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर एंड व्हाट इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट है स्टोरेज सिस्टम फॉर स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ डाटा इज मैग्नेटिक कार्ड। ए स्टैंड अलोन सिस्टम विच प्रोड्यूसेस वन पेज ऑफ प्रिंट आउट एट अ टाइम इज, सो पेज प्रिंटर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ टच स्क्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी, रॉ। Ubuntu is in, so it is in open source software. कंप्यूटर CD-RAW क्या है, CDRW का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, तो कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क रीराइटेबल। द करेक्टिंग एरर्स इन अ प्रोग्राम ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स इज कॉल्ड डीबगिंग। एंड्रॉयड इज इन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बेस्ड ऑन लाइनक्स। HTML का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, हाइपर टेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। कंप्यूटर इन्वेंटेड बाय चार्ल्स बेबेज। Select documents Ctrl+C. Gaining entry to network by pretending to be a legitimate computer is IP spooking. FTP का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, फाइल ट्रांसफ़र प्रोटोकॉल। WAN का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क। OCR का क्या है, ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन। Ubuntu क्या है, एक ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर है। DBMS का क्या है, DBMS क्या है, एक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर। LCD का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले। www का क्या है, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब। Android is an operating system based on Linux. Portrait landscape or page orientation. Binary language consists of 2 digit. URL का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर। इनमें से ठीक है, तो मोडम क्या है, एक आउटपुट और इनपुट दोनों डिवाइस है। द रूल्स टू एक्सचेंज द डाटा बिटवीन द कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड प्रोटोकॉल। ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, काफ़ी पूछा जाता है। नेक्स्ट है विच की इज यूज्ड इन डिलीटिंग द वर्ड लेटर्स रिटन एट लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द कर्सर, तो बैक स्पेस। What term is used to describe using the mouse to move an item on the screen to a new location, drag and drop. Function key activates the speller in MS Word, so F7. URL का फुल फॉर्म है यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर। IC chips used in computer are made up of, so silicon. Word processing, spreadsheet and photo editing are example of application software. Computer speed is measured in MIPS. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a network. What kind of data you may send through email, pictures, audio, video to? EPROM का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, erasable, programmable, read only memory. To save an existing Microsoft Office file with a new name at a new location, which command should we use? Save as. ISDN का क्या है, फुल फॉर्म इंटीग्रेटेड सर्विस डिजिटल नेटवर्क। HDD क्या है, एक स्टोरेज डिवाइस। द फाइल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ MS PowerPoint फाइल इज, तो पॉइंट PPT। अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डाटा इन अ प्री डिटरमाइंड सीक्वेंस इन Excel इज कॉल्ड सॉर्टिंग। सर्वर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स दैट प्रोवाइड रिसोर्सेज टू अदर कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड टू अ नेटवर्क। हैकर often gain entry to a network by pretending to be a legitimate computer, so ID theft. URL का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर। रैम कहाँ लोकेटेड है, मदरबोर्ड में। फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रिपेयर ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर बग अवेलेबल एट इंटरनेट इज कॉल्ड पैच। पॉइंट एंड ड्रा डिवाइस, माउस। इन एरर इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम प्रोग्राम इज बग। A device that performs signal conversion is modulator. Spam is used to describe a junk email. Bluetooth technology allows Wireless communication between equipment. Close currently active application window is Alt plus F4. GUI का full form क्या है? Graphical User Interface. To insert header and footer, click on which menu insert. Computer monitor is known as VDU. Father of Internet, WindServe. Firewalls are used to protect a communication network system against unauthorized access. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. 1 GB इक्वल टू 1024 MB. TFT का फुल फॉर्म है थिन फिल्म ट्रांजिस्टर. Debug is term denoting error connection process. Blank is the preferred file format for saving photographic image JPEG. The software that allows you to read web pages and surf the internet is called web browser. Word processing, spreadsheet and photo editing are example of application software. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a network. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. Modem, modulator, demodulator. Output quality of a printer is measured by dot per inch. Shortcut key for paste a matter is Control plus V. MICR का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन. AI का मतलब है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. You can use blank to copy and blank to paste. Control plus C or Control plus V. Which command is used to add a new slide in the current presentation in PowerPoint? So Control plus M. Computer language Java was developed by Sun Microsystem. Keyboard mouse एक input device है. A person who uses his or her expertise to gain access to another person's computers to get information illegally or to do damage is a hacker. Vulnerable is equal to 4-bit. फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर चार्ल्स बेबेज. ट्रैकबॉल एक माउस अल्टरनेटिव है. हॉटबॉट एक सर्च इंजन है. बेसिक रेट इंटरफेस एंड प्राइमरी रेट इंटरफेस टर्मिनोलॉजी इज रिलेटेड टू ISDN. To assess a mainframe of supercomputer, user often use a terminal. A program written in a high-level language is referred to source code. What is usually used for displaying information at public places? Overhead projections. The tangible part of a computer system is called hardware. Control plus Z undo last action. The first visible computer virus in India is CBRAN. The load instruction is mostly used to designate a transfer from memory to a processor register known as accumulator. The standard protocol of the internet is TCP/IP. Information on a computer is stored as digital data. Linux is open source operating system. Miracast is wireless content streaming technology. Shortcut for displaying the full page as they are printed, so Control plus F2. Blank formatting is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Formatting. RAM is located in motherboard. Computer Literacy Day is observed on 2nd December. Supercomputer Param was manufactured by CDEC Pune. Prolog is the 5th generation of computer. First supercomputer of the world is Cray K1S. Half byte is known as Nebel. Assembler is a program that translates the program from assembly to machine. Hotspot is a place served by public wireless access. Shortcut for displaying the full page as they are printed, Control plus F2. Blank is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Formatting. First computer mouse was built by Douglas Engelbart. A blank is used to read handwritten or printed text to make a digital image that is stored in memory scanner. Blank printer cannot print more than one characters at a time. Dot matrix. External devices such as printers, keyboard and modem are known as peripherals. Which kind of memory holds the program to start up the computer? ROM. Storage that retains its data after the power is turned off is referred as non-volatile storage. The main directory of a disk is called the root directory. DVD is example of optical device. How many bits are equal to 1 byte? 8. Which of the following is correct sequence of smallest to largest unit of storage size? Kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte and petabyte. Software refers to programs. What is backup? Copy to save a data from original source to other destination. An operating system is said to be multitasking if more than one programs can run simultaneously. C++ language was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup. C, Basic, COBOL and Java are example of high-level language. CO in COBOL means common oriented. Graphical pictures that represent an object like file, folder, etc. are icons. Which of the following is used to access a file from computer store retrieve? In MS Word, spell check option is under which of the following menu? Review. Grammatical error in MS Word are shown in which color? Green. RTF rich text format. Default paper size of Word documents is letter. What are the BAS, DOC, HTML examples in computing extension? Which of the following file format is a method of encoding pictures on a computer? GPG. Which of the following shortcut key is used to close current or active window? Alt plus F4. MS Excel is used for spreadsheet calculation. The main advantage of LAN is sharing peripherals. What does fiber use to transmit data? Light. Computer connected to a LAN can share information and or share peripheral equipment. Unit speed used for supercomputer is flops. What is website? A location on the World Wide Web. A website address is a unique name that identifies a specific link on the website. A website is collection of web pages. To view information on the web, you must have a web browser. To reload a web page, press following button: refresh. Junk email, also called spam. A cookie stores information about the user's web activity. CACHE, cache is a temporary memory. A stored link to a web page in order to have a quick and easy access to its letter is called bookmark. Computer virus है computer program. First computer virus was Creeper. Digital signature is in encrypting information. The capacity of modem is expressed in terms of bits per second. Computers gathers data, which means they allow users to input data. OCR stands for optical character recognition. Plotter, printer, or monitor are output device. Which key is used in combination with another key to perform a specific task? Control. Control, Shift and Alt are called modifier keys. DTP का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Desktop Publishing. Function of CPU to read, interpret and process the information and instruction. The part of a computer that coordinates all its function is called its control unit. Blank data is processed in information by computer processor through data. The pattern of printed lines on most products are called barcodes. Computer monitor output device. A soft copy refers to screen output. A scanner scans both picture and text. Which part of the CPU coordinates all functions of computer and other components? Control unit. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called processing. If you open a menu and then decide you don't want to select an option after all, click the menu title again or press the escape key to close the menu. ESC. Which of the following software could assist someone who cannot use their hands for computer input? Speech recognition. Hard disk drives are considered storage non-volatile. The smallest unit of information a computer can understand and process is known as bit. Basic operation done by a computer is arithmetic operation, logical operation, data storage or all of these. Manipulating data to create information is known as processing. Blank can make it easier to play games. Joystick. A bird on a web page which opens other document when clicks on it is hyperlink. Sending an email is like writing a letter. To display the contents of a folder in Windows Explorer, you should click on it. Digital computers use a binary system to encode date and programs. A UPS provides battery backup for a limited time. The blank controls communication for the entire computer system motherboard. The pictorial representation of a program or algorithm is called a flowchart. Three main parts of the processor are ALU, control unit और registers. Odd one चुनना है. माउस स्कैनर कीबोर्ड और प्रिंटर में तो प्रिंटर है. पावरफुल की दैट्स लेट यू एग्जिट अ प्रोग्राम व्हेन पुश्ड. एस्केप की. नेक्स्ट है ए डिवाइस that is connected to the motherboard is called a peripheral device. A computer consists of two or more computers and other devices that are connected for the purpose of sharing data and programs network. A computer works on a binary number system. The function of an assembler is to convert assembly language into machine language. A computer, a device which is able to store data, a device which is able to analyze data, or a device which is able to maintain full security, sometime attacked by virus. So all of these is right answer. Supercomputer contain thousands of microprocessor. Why is the caps lock key referred to as a toggle key? Because its function goes back and forth every time it is pressed. One puts information into the computer by pressing this key, enter. A button that makes characters either upper or lower case and numbers to symbols, shift key. Monitor, printer, output device है. Mouse technique used for assessing properties of any object is right clicking. What is output? Which is get to user from the processor. To go to the beginning of a text, home. The name of the location of a particular piece of data, its address. In MS Word एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है. दोस्तों वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. फिर अब हम लोग देखेंगे इंग्लिश के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू.